everyone. My name is Namrita and today I'm here to tell you a story. First, let me ask you, do you like brushing your teeth every day? Do you like taking a bath every day? Do you like washing your hands and keeping yourself clean? The story I'm going to tell you today is about a little boy who does not like to keep himself clean. Okay, so let us hear the story. Brushing is no fun. Rohan woke up and began to play with Jimmy, his dog. There's something we should do first, said Ria, his big sister. Brush your teeth. But I don't want to brush my teeth. Jimmy doesn't brush his teeth, said Rohan. Animals take care of their teeth too, but in other ways. We must brush our teeth to keep the germs away. But brushing is no fun, said Rohan. Just then, Mummy called out, It's breakfast time! Wait, Rohan. There's something we should do first, said Ria. Wash our hands. But Jimmy never washes his hands, said Rohan. Ria laughed. Jimmy doesn't use his hands or paws to eat like we do. We must wash our hands with soap to get rid of the germs. Are there germs on our hands too? Germs are everywhere. Ria showed Rohan the proper way to wash hands. Wet your hands and turn off the tap. Then rub some soap on your palms, the back of the hands and in between the fingers. Scrub your hands for 20 seconds. Now it's time to rinse off and dry. When they came back home after playing, Ria told Rohan, There's something we should do first. Mummy teased, Play some more. No, Mummy, take a bath, said Ria. Mummy, don't you know that germs are everywhere? We can't see them, but they stick to our skin and clothes. That's why we must take a bath every day. Yes, that's right. Start by getting yourself wet, said Mummy. Then apply soap all over. Ria and Rohan giggled as Mummy's ticklish fingers soaked them up. Then it's time to rinse off and dry off with a clean towel. Super clean! It's Jimmy's turn next. Rohan and Ria enjoy taking care of themselves. Do you?